Hi, my name is Tom, and this is my investing journey on eToro. I chose eToro about 6 years ago because it was a platform that was modern and refreshing in comparison to a number of the other platforms that were out there. And it also offered much lower fees than other market competitors, allowing me to enter when I had a much lower equity. My investment strategy on eToro is geopolitical, macro, and technical analysis. I invest in sectors based on geopolitical and macro signals, and then will choose stocks within those sectors and trade them based on technical signals. The hardest part of my investment journey has been constantly having to adapt my strategy to a changing market. Although I've stayed true to the strategy that I've always had, every single year as the market changes, I've had to adapt it and retest it, making sure it stays relevant to a changing environment. The key milestone that proved to me the power of eToro's social investing was when I had a diamond event in London and met a number of my clients there. At that event, a number of them spoke through all of the different goals that they've met whilst on the investing journey with me, and it really struck me how powerful the platform is that allowed them to reach those goals. The most valuable lesson I've learned in my first years on eToro would have been in 2022. I had been investing on the platform a year in a strong bull market, and then in 2022, the market pulled back, meaning I had to adapt my strategy. By the end of the year, I managed to finish the year up 10%, whilst the market had pulled back 20%, something that I'm really proud of. I adapt to changes in the market by constantly looking at my strategy. Although that has stayed the same over my investing process on eToro, by constantly reanalyzing and looking at different technical signals, it means that my strategy has stayed up to date in my investing process, meaning I can keep delivering consistent returns. In terms of what you can expect from investing in me, is that you can expect consistent returns and strong results. Over the last 5 years, I've delivered an average of 36% per year returns, and I've managed to do that whilst investing in a relatively low risk profile, trading larger or mid-sized US and European equities, and also whilst avoiding trading things like cryptocurrency, small stocks, or using leverage.